folding planes.
Lady games. I played Sword and Shield. How many hours do you have? I just first played here and I stopped playing. I don't like how the game much. I play like numerous strength. I have like I have like 2.5 boxes full of strength.
At the sculpture's base is an uncut sheet of blank paper
I tried doing the,
through 7 simple
decks.
folds represented from the base
I'm still
upward.
working on it.
The paper transformed into an airplane. Each fold symbolizes a choice or action taken to transform an idea into reality.
Just doing that in December.
The two most important responsibilities I have as an artist are to start something from nothing and to finish it through the magic of creativity and decision, something wonderful emerges. Kevin Box. And there is the code.
Obsidian Flame box for 115, and that's like I'm paying $40 or $50 more for same day delivery.
Is that the new set?